अच्छा, एक्सरसाइज नंबर एक सुनो। देखे, कहता है दी बेयरर। ये क्या है? ये आर के लिए RER दी। अच्छा, एक्सरसाइज नंबर एक सुनो। कहता है दी बेयरर। ये क्या है? ये रार स्टॉक है, रार स्टॉक। दी बेयरर ऑफ दिस नोट मिस्टर जेम्स वाइट is a close personal friend of mine. He is traveling to Canada and he will be in Glasgow. ये जगह का नाम है, Glasgow, for a few days before sailing. Full stop. I want Mr. White to meet you, for I know that you will be glad to number him among your acquaintance. ये क्या है? Acquaintance. Acquaintance. Full stop. For this reason, I don't feel that I am imposing. ये क्या है? ये MP के लिए स्टॉक है, imposing on your kindness, on your kindness in asking you to show Mr. अच्छा, फिर कहता है to show Mr. White some of the important sites of the city. First off, I think that you and he should find yourselves fully in accord on most subjects. First off, फिर कहता है नंबर 2, you have always been in sympathy with our child training campaign. ये क्या है? ये campaign by which we try to put as many children as possible in camp for a few weeks each summer. Our campaign is now started again, and we enclose a book of seals. First off, these stamps cost you only 3/6. As you know, these children are cared for by counselors who give their services free, and every penny collected in our campaign is spent on the children. First off, फिर कहता है एक्सरसाइज नंबर 110। Gentlemen, we have received a request for a quotation. ये क्या है? को यानी के और वा यानी क्वा का ये स्टॉक है, यानी कोटेशन ऑन ए लार्ज क्वांटिटी। ये एन हाफ है के लिए क्वांटिटी of newsprint paper, but it is impossible for us to supply the paper from our own mills, because we cannot make it up on rollers as is called for in the inquiry. Full stop. फिर कहता है we know that you have the equipment for making very large quantities of this type of paper quickly if necessary, and we should be glad if you would quote your best trade terms per hundreds for paper delivery exactly according to the attached specification. First stop. फिर कहता है as we wish to reply to the inquiry as quickly as possible, it is important that we receive your quotation by return mail. Very truly yours. अच्छा, फिर कहता है एक्सरसाइज नंबर 111। Dear sir, we were especially pleased to receive your inquiry, and we are glad to have the opportunity to tell you something about our new and improved water heater. First up, it is described fully in the enclosed circular. However, if the circular does not give you all the information, you require, please write to us again and we shall be glad to give you additional information on any particular points. First up, we don't know whether you wish to use gas or oil. Gas or oil, but you will note that the price is the same for the other type. First up, this heater has been so greatly improved that the saving in the cost of operation is anywhere from a quarter. ये क्या है? Quarter to a half of the farmer cost. First up, these heaters are now on display by dealers everywhere throughout the country, and we suggest that you inspect them at the first opportunity. Your local dealer would be glad to tell you which heater would be adequate for your requirements, for it is important to have the right size. He would be glad to give you also ये क्या है? पर्टिकुलर्स, ये चूंकि पर्टिकुलर हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखे हैं, इसके साथ एस लगाया है, पर्टिकुलर्स ऑफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ इंस्टॉलेशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ, we have returned the stamps which you enclosed with your inquiry. Very truly yours. First up,